A semi-quick but not so quick, I wouldn't say tutorial, but a visual of my editing of labels, graphic design, all wrapped into one. Right now I'm working on a detox drink for a male and female version. This is the male. Both have 3 different flavors. This one is the pineapple detox. I'm just moving it around, see which placement is best. Alright, so we're done with the pineapple. Moving on to the next. The next will be cranberry detox. I'm switching out the icons. You see, I put the cranberry, switched out the pineapple. These edits are sped up, so it won't be dragged out too long, but it is a process. It did take me quite amount of time to complete this, and I had some mix-ups, and I will show you where I mixed up at towards the end of the video and actually correct my errors. Alright, now for the pea potion, I had to change the background color to green, because you can see that the potion has white in it, and white on white background, when I go into editing it, will cut out the potion. So now I'm going on to the women. The names are very similar. The men is Glow God, the women would be Glow Goddess. The difference between these two will be the colors. The men is black and gold. The women are pink and gold. It has a little black in there just to accent it out. The labels, I'm positioning it to be almost the exact same. This is the pea potion. Now I'm moving on to the cranberry detox, and it's the same exact icon, same exact logo, just different colors. Okay, this is not a editing app. It is, but it's not just for logos. It's actually for videos. But this works best for me because I also do videos and I love the fonts. I have unlimited fonts that I like and that I can use. So the process for me is a little bit dragged out. So I save it as a video and then I go in and edit it as a picture in another software, as you will see coming up. I'm going to remove the background. This is how you get a no background logo that you can add to your photos, you can add to your products, you can add on shirts. There were certain areas where I did have to go back and fill in the logo itself to where the gaps had erased all of the white. The logo does have some white you can see along the edges of the gold. I do clean it up around the edges so it can be as crispy as it can. I will only be editing this one logo, but I will be doing the same method for all of them. It is a stretch process, so I do want to sum it up as much as I can into one video. And the same software, I'm going to make it smooth around the edges. That way it won't be as harsh and sharpened. And it will actually clean up some of the white for me. We're going to the last app. There's a total of 3. I see that the white that was taken out, it left some holes into the logo. So I'm going to use my finger and color it in. I'm actually going to bring the logo in again. and paste it on top of it. That allows me to create a border around it. I'm just going to put more pink to make it a little defined. And I'm going to let you see before and after. And I'm going to add a circle border because it is going on drinks. So she would like it to be inside the circle, but I'm also going to leave it as is, the logo without the circle, so she can choose between the two, whichever works best for her, whichever one looks best on the drink for her. I'm trying my best to line them up as much as possible so when they're on the drink, they all will look in sync. Now that I have them completed, I'm going to go ahead and send them to her email. In Facebook, it does not give you the option to where you can get the logo without the background, so email works best. Don't know if anyone caught it, but I caught it when it was too late. The name of this drink is Pea Potion Detox. I made an error with an S. It's supposed to be a T. So I'm going to blink out the S and add in the T of this exact same font and exact same color. Now this is the simpler method to use when I'm going in and editing some work that's not mine, where I need to change a letter or I need to change the background. I can simply just go ahead and blur it out and bring in a new letter that I need to replace it. I'm doing the same method I did earlier. I'm clearing the background and I'm bringing in the T by itself. Alright, now that I have my T completed, I'm going to place it in the position where it needs to be. I'm going to resize it and make it fit like the logo itself. At this point, I'm just clearing it up to where it looks like that I didn't have any mess ups. And rest assured, we have come to the ending of the video. The only thing left, I'm going to change the black background for the men to gold as she requested.